Howdy! We are going to install Visual Studio Code into the Mac today. So let's go. We go to code.visualstudio.com, and since I'm in a Mac, it's going to propose for me to download it for the Mac. So I just click here and then I accept it, save. It's saving it. It's going to take 18 seconds. Here is a good time to have a coffee, have a nap, drink a tea, whatever. By the time I finish talking, this is going to be done. So 2 seconds left. Okay, it's done. So after it's done, we just open it. And then we open it. Again, basically, because it was a zip file, so it unzipped it. Now we open it. It's very fine. Okay, it's done. So now we say yes, we want to open it, even though it was downloaded from the internet. And here it is. We have Visual Studio Code. One thing that you need to do is to complete the installation is to take Visual Studio Code from the downloads directory and copy it to the applications directory. And now we are done. Or you can go to the applications directory like I did and then take Visual Studio Code from there and then copy it to the tools bar. Okay? I'm going to remove this one because I already had it, so I didn't need to have it again. Okay guys, now you have Visual Studio Code installed in your applications.